In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to configure SPF DKIM for Freshservice. If you send emails from Freshservice, setting up SPF and DKIM is essential to prove your messages are legitimate and to prevent them from landing in spam. SPF tells receiving mail servers which systems are allowed to send on behalf of your domain, while DKIM adds a cryptographic signature that confirms the message wasn't altered in transit. First, log into Freshservice using an administrator account. You need admin rights to view and edit email authentication settings, so if you're not an admin, ask your Freshservice administrator to grant you the appropriate role or switch to an admin profile before you continue. Once you're signed in, head to the admin area. From there, open Channels, choose Email, and then click Email Settings and Mailboxes. On that page, look for a section labeled Set up SPF and DKIM Email Authentication. This is where Freshservice centralizes the controls and guidance you'll need to authenticate your outbound email. If your account uses multiple workspaces and you don't see the option in Channels, you'll likely find it in the Global Settings. Go to Global Settings, then Account Settings, select Service Desk Security, and open Setup SPF and DKIM. Multi-workspace environments sometimes surface security controls at the account level rather than inside an individual workspace, so checking this location helps ensure you're adjusting the right configuration. If neither path appears, double-check that you're in the correct workspace, verify your permission level, and confirm that your Freshservice plan includes email authentication settings. You can also use the search bar at the top of the admin page to look for SPF or DKIM by name, which is a quick way to navigate if menu labels in your instance are slightly different. After you arrive on the SPF and DKIM setup page, Freshservice provides clear on-screen guidance and shows any domain records associated with your configuration. Have access to your domain's DNS management handy so you can complete the process efficiently, and use the verification tool on the page to confirm when everything is recognized. That's it for locating the SPF and DKIM configuration in Freshservice. By signing in with admin access, navigating through admin to channels and email, and checking the global settings path in multi-workspace accounts, you can quickly reach the authentication controls that protect your outbound messages. Pause the video and follow along in your own environment, and you'll be ready to complete the setup with the guidance provided on that page.